Alright, I'm doing a little test here. I got a 850 milliamp hour 4S pack here. I'm charging it up from the storage level, and you can tell I already got 113 milliamp hours put back in. I'm charging it at 3 amps at 4.2 is the target. My source is my bench power supply, set at about 25 volts, 2 amps. You can see it's charging. I got the setting at 3 amp charging, and it's doing right around 3 amps, and it's pretty cool. It's got the clock on the upper left there, so you can keep track of how long it took to do the charging, and it's kind of doing that balanced charge. You can see on the right with different letters or the different numbers being illuminated. And we'll see how long this takes and how many milliamp hours are put back in. I pretty much had it drained down initially to pretty much 0 milliamp hours. It had maybe 5% in it to start, and it's going good. I'm just going to push it up to 5 amps to see if it actually can do 5 amps. It's a little strong for this particular battery pack, but I just want to see if temporarily it can run up to that 5 amps. 4.7. You got to have enough of a source to be able to put that 5 amps out. It's obviously not safe to do it. This is like 5 times or more the normal charging rate that you would want to put on an 850. It's not getting up to 5. I'm getting the spikes up to, 4, 6, 4, 7. I'm not sure what the red the coloration is on the unit here. The fan just kicked in on it right now. I can feel it vibrating. Maybe I'll move it back down to 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Maybe it was overheating inside a little bit. I don't really need to charge it at 5, but the idea is if I ever need to do a quick top off, this little guy can give you the option of doing that, where some of my other ones aren't that flexible. I'm going to let it go here and we'll see what it is at the end. This is the pack I'm charging up. Well, we're about at 11 minutes here. It says we're up to 100%, but it's still putting in running at 1 amp and 1/3. Maybe that'll be dropping off here, I think. Well, we'll find out what happens. He likes to be able to know that it shuts off. You can see the milliamp hour level is still going up. Most of the cells are right at that 4.2 volts. But we're still putting milliamp hours, building that up. Now the amps are coming down a little bit here. As it's equaling out each cell. We'll let it run here to see does it finally finish, and does it give us a little indicator at the end or not. While it's finishing up, you can see the it's a little tight to run the cord there, so I did make up a little adapter here for the next batteries that I run. It's mainly on the smaller packs that you don't really have enough length on the leads. Okay, it just beeped, so it says it's done. Took 17 minutes. Got us up to 788 milliamp hours, which is reasonably good considering where I started at. It does seem like it's continuing to try to balance things out. You can see the clock on top pretty much stopped. Alright, kind of a slick little unit. Thanks for watching.